What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. So in today's video, obviously it is Saturday, it is the weekend, and as I tell you guys on this channel, the weekend is where winners are made, the weekend is where empires are built. Now, of course, there's a reason I say that, and if you think about it, no matter who you are, no matter what you do, you have your life, 7 days a week. Either 5 of those days you're working, and 2 of those days you're taking a rest, or 7 of those days you're working, or 7 of those days you're doing whatever you want. Of course, everyone's different, everyone's living their life a different way. But the reason that I focus so much on the weekends and the emphasis on working on the weekends and getting ahead on the weekends is because many people use their weekends to relax. Many people use their weekends to sit back, to chill, to enjoy, to catch up on Netflix, to catch up on series, to catch up on movies. And I understand people want to take their time after a long week or a long week, of working, putting in a lot of hours at the office, commuting, going there, putting a lot of effort, working hard. I completely understand that. But have you ever thought of it in this way? Your weekend could eventually become like every day. And what I mean by that is, your Tuesday is no different to your Saturday. Your Sunday is no different to your Monday. Your Thursday is no different to your Friday. And the reason being, a lot of people work, Monday to Friday. And they look forward to Friday evening because that's when the real fun starts. But think about this. Every single year, you have 365 days. 252 of those days are weekdays. So that means 252 of those days, you're probably doing something you don't like to do. You're probably doing something you don't want to do. Now, 113 days are weekend, obviously, Saturday and Sunday. Now, think about this. Every single time, every single week, you waste 5 days just to get 2 days, you're actually losing more than you're gaining. And if you don't understand what I'm saying, think about it this way. If I had $700 and every week you take $200 from me and leave 500 on the table, would that make sense to you? No, it wouldn't. And that's exactly what you're doing when you're, ignoring your weekdays and focusing on relaxing and chilling on your Saturdays and Sundays. So, without you missing the point here, what I'm trying to say is, use your weekends wisely. Use your weekends to get ahead. That's why I always tell you guys on this channel. Instead of doing what most people do, which is, again, relax, kick back, chill, use those weekends, or at least a few hours, your Saturday, your Sunday, to put in some work on your side hustles, to do something to make you some money, to try something new out, to test something out, to learn something new, to invest in yourself. I know enough people who, have a life Monday to Friday, and that life they're trying to escape. The real life that they enjoy is the Saturday and the Sunday. Now, my problem here is that, like I said before, you're pretty much giving away 5 days of your week, each and every week, just so you can enjoy 2 days. And that sounds ridiculous. So there's 2 ways you can solve this. Either you start doing what you love Monday to Friday, and obviously Saturday and Sunday, or you start preparing to get to that stage where you can do what you love. Because some people are in a position where they can just start doing what they love. And I guarantee you they don't know that, but they need to try that out. Some of you are not in that position yet. So it might take you investing, it might take you learning, it might take you, working on yourself, focusing on yourself on the weekends, focusing on what's important. But eventually you guys can get to the point where you're living Monday through Sunday, doing whatever you like to do, wherever you want to do, and living the life that you deserve. Now, of course, I'm young, I understand, every single weekend you would love to party, you'd love to get drunk, you'd love to hang out with your friends and do nothing, chill, run riot. I completely understand that. I've lived that for many times and you guys know that. But what I'm saying here is, instead of doing that, instead of spending your time doing all those kind of things, why not start building the life you want to live? So maybe 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, even if it has to be 15 years down the line, you can do those kind of things each and every day, and you can afford to do those things without losing time, without losing money, because you set yourself up for greatness, you set yourself up for success, you set yourself up to succeed. Trust me when I say your future self is gonna thank you when you put in those hours on your Friday evening, your Saturday afternoon, your Sunday night. You put in those hours not for this week, not for next week, but for the life you will live 2 years down the line, 5 years down the line, by 2030, the end of this decade. I've talked a lot about making the most of your time, and this is a great example. Every single time I hear people say, oh, it's Friday, oh no, tomorrow's Monday, I think you have the opportunity to change your life, or you have at least the opportunity to start changing your life and prepare to change your life. Why are you not using it? Why will you live every single week doing the same thing, dreading Monday coming around, waiting for Friday, longing for Friday, hoping for Friday evening, when you've got a whole life to live? There's no such rule that says you have to only live life on Friday evening after 5 p.m. until Sunday night. There's no rule that says that. There's no rule that says Monday until Friday evening you have to be upset, you have to be annoyed, you have to be frustrated. There's no rule that says that. There's also no rule that says you have to work on the weekends, put in time on the weekends to better yourself. But I'm telling you, it's going to benefit you if you do that. If you don't think it will benefit you, then don't do it. By all means, go ahead and do what you like to do. But there's no point, complaining on a Monday, complaining on a Wednesday, complaining until Friday evening, and then not doing anything about it to go forward. Again, I'd like to point out that no matter who you are, you should be spending time on your craft. I know there are a lot of you guys out there that are talented. Some of you guys are YouTubers. So spend that time on your Saturday and Sunday researching SEO, researching what descriptions do, trying to improve your videos, trying to improve the quality of your videos. Spend that time on your Friday evening learning about how you can improve your videos, how you can get more subscribers, how you can engage in other people's videos, anything you can do to improve yourself and also help other people. I mean, I'm pretty sure that most people on this earth have goals, have some sort of goals in their life, whatever they do. So how are you going to work on those goals if you always neglect them? How are you going to get to those goals if you always waste your weekend doing something else which is doesn't relate to your goals at all? How are you going to reach your targets, hit your targets, without actually putting in the time, putting in the efforts on the days you don't want to do it or the days you want to relax and chill? Saturday and Sunday is a whole 24 hours each day, so it's 48 hours, and you still got Friday evening. You have enough time to put together, a solid 10 hours each and every weekend on your craft, on what you want to build, on your goals. For some of you, you're lacking money. You have the time on your Saturday and Sunday to make some money. Whether that's, doing something random like mowing lawns for $20, per lawn, and you do 5 lawns in a day, that's an extra $100. Maybe for some of you, it's, all it is Saturday or Sunday afternoon, going to a local park. Maybe it's hot there, maybe a lot of people are running around, tired or sweaty, whatever. You've bought, a box of 24 bottles of water. You bought whatever it may be. It cost you $5 for those 24 bottles. Now maybe you go and sell each individual bottle for 50 cents or $1. You're making $12 or $24 simply off of a $5 investment. I mean, those are, those 2 random ideas, but that's what I'm saying. It doesn't have to be mowing lawns. It doesn't have to be, buying water bottles. It can be washing windows, washing cars, painting, cleaning, babysitting. It can be so many different things. If you're low on money, use your weekends to make some money. You're stuck in the rat race. You're working Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, but every single time, you get paid every other Friday or once a month, whatever it may be. You're stuck. You feel like you just can't get out. Well, in that case, start using your Saturday and Sundays to build a side hustle. Find new ways to make some money. Find ways you can get multiple sources of income. Find ways which are actually going to benefit you and make you some money going forward. Don't be that person who's always stuck in the shell, who doesn't want to try new things out, who doesn't want to change their life. I told you I've lived that, so I know exactly what it feels like to work Monday to Friday, being annoyed, upset, frustrated, just waiting for Friday evening so you can go and have fun with your friends, so you can go and drink, go out, that kind of thing on the weekends. But trust me when I say, if you use that time, from Friday evening to Sunday night to work on your goals, to work on yourself, that's how you become a winner. That's how you can start building your empire. Those people you see, the stars, the richest people in the world, the people who are enjoying life, loving life, they didn't, only work from Monday to Friday and then chill on the weekends. They didn't just, wait for the weekends and then relax, drink, go party, get drunk, sit down, do nothing, wait for a series to come out, wait for different things to go out, base their weekends solely on different forms of entertainment. They didn't do that to get to where they are today. There's a reason people are at the top. There's a reason people stay at the top. How you spend your time, not only Monday to Friday, but especially on the weekends, is how you're going to get ahead. Each and every weekend, you should be trying to get ahead. Each and every weekend, you should be building your craft, pushing yourself close to your goals, doing something which will benefit you. You spend Monday to Friday working on other people's goals and dreams, and for some of you, you may have to get some money. But you have absolutely no reason not to work on your goals and dreams Friday evening, Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon, Sunday night. You can do it, you just haven't tried it yet. You might not see all the results you want to see right away, but all it takes is a little dedication. Do it for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. You might not see all the results you want to see. But after 6 months, a year, you'll start to see differences, you'll start to see changes, you'll start to see exactly the kind of things you expect to see. All it takes is a little bit of patience, putting in some effort, some consistency, and you'll start to see results. You'll start to be rewarded for what you're putting in. Your efforts and what you're sowing will eventually come back to you. You'll reap those rewards. Eventually, instead of having to, work Monday to Friday and hope for Friday night, Saturday, Sunday, you'll be able to live life however you want to. Each day of the week will be the same to you. It doesn't matter. For some of you, you might feel like you're back in quarantine again because every day is the same. It just feels the same. But this time, the only difference is you'll actually be enjoying yourself. But I can't stress it enough. Use your weekends wisely. Friday evening till Sunday night. Be efficient with your time. Be smart with your time. Put in the work, put in the effort, put in the hours to build your craft, to build your hustle, to do what's best for you in the long run. Short term, it might seem tough, it might seem difficult, but eventually long term, you're going to be happy that you did that. Don't waste your years now, living it up, doing things that are not going to benefit you long run, not going to benefit your future. Don't bother doing it. Trust me when I say it's going to be worth it. Once you learn to put in that time on a Friday, on a Saturday, and a Sunday, I can't stress it to you guys enough. Just do it first and see what kind of results you get after 6 months, a year. I guarantee you it will definitely be worth it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys actually use this for your motivation to go and do something today. And I want you guys to actually use this video so you can help yourselves. Put in the work this weekend. Today, put in the hours. Put in the work. If you didn't do it yesterday evening, it's fine. You can do it today. You can do it tomorrow. Put in enough hours this weekend and start building the life you want. Put in enough hours to spend on your craft, on what you want to build. But at the end of the day, it is your guys' life. All I can do is guide you, give you some advice, try and help you out. It's up to you guys to actually put in the work and try and create the results for yourself. Lastly, I want to say thanks a lot for the support. Over the last few days, we've gained a lot of subscribers, a lot of comments, a lot of engagement, a lot of interaction, a few more likes. So I'm enjoying it. Let's see if we can get, at least 5 likes on this video. That'd be great. Also, if you want to find ways to use your weekend wisely, check out those links in the description. We've got free cryptocurrency for you guys. We've got free stock for you guys. We've got affiliate marketing for my smartwatch company, Time Gear Watches, so you can affiliate for us, make some money by getting some smartwatch sales. We've also got a free guide to easy online business, so start that, check it out, and see how it works for you. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys go and use this message. Make sure you have a great weekend as well. But that's the video, you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I've been Money Management. I've got money making. You got money making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.